Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this quick and easy rhinestone skull makeup look. To start this look, I used Mehron's gold metallic powder and used this to make the outline of where I wanted the skull to go. I know it's kind of hard to see, this gold color wasn't picking up on camera very well. Then I used liquid latex to adhere gold metallic rhinestones over top of the outline I made. I would use these tweezers to dip each rhinestone into liquid latex and then adhere it to the face, and just continue this process throughout. I started out with a medium-sized rhinestone, and as the lines got thinner and the smaller sections like the teeth, I used smaller rhinestones. Gluing on the rhinestones does take a while, but once you get the hang of it, it goes a little bit quicker. And that completes this gold rhinestone skull makeup look. I like the idea of using rhinestones in a skull makeup look to kind of have a glam Halloween costume. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you guys again soon.